From this video, you will learn how to make $1.4 million simply by copying and pasting links. Well, that's a bit way exaggerated, but we have made so far $15,000 and you can make it easily, and we will show you how to do it. So step number one, go to my software Epic, link in the description, and create your free account and start using the way I'm going to show you in 1 minute. But before I show you how to use it, let me share a story. I made a video, basically this video, the campaign you see on the screen, this video, it has 7 bite-sized videos right here. Each 14 seconds, 8 seconds, 8 seconds, 5 seconds, 5 seconds. All I did, copy and paste links here and here. And I basically, how to do the whole thing and how this kind of video can make you $486,000 per year. All these things is shown in 1 minute video, or is called shorts. So this is the shorts. Can you see that? I don't know. Yeah, okay, so this is the shorts. Now, that's not most important thing. Most important here is if you go to video analytics and you go to reach, then you'll see, can you see that? All right, shorts feed is sending, so far, sent 40% views. So we have got 719 impressions and 155 views in last 2 days. And we have got, people are loving this simple video, 1 minute video, 5 likes. People are loving it. 5 likes, a bit embarrassing. And how about 1.4 million likes? So the video is about the man who never saw a woman. And it's the history, 1 minute history of a man who is literally nobody, who never saw a woman. This video got 1.4 million views. And you can make the exact same video using my software Epic by copying and pasting links. For that, how to use it, just go and watch this video or shorts. I will link it somewhere in the description. Go get it, watch it first, how to use it, and make the same video. Now, this particular video is making money. Making money? I don't know how they're making money, but I can tell you how you can make money. Instead of talking about the man who never saw a woman, talk about people's problem and the solutions they need right now. Example, every internet marketer, I mean, millions of internet marketers need websites, and for their websites, they need hosting servers. The problem, hosting servers don't really do anything except hosting your website, and they charge you monthly or annual recurring fees. Now, whether you make money or you don't make money, whether the beginners or any internet marketers make money or they don't make money, they have to pay for the hosting servers. And that is why a lot of beginners start their website, they have to quit before they actually make money, and that's why you will see a lot of links don't work. A lot of websites don't load because they couldn't pay, or even they forgot to pay their server fees. Solution is HostZpresso. That's my software or my platform, my application. So far we have made 0.2 millions selling HostZpresso. So we promoted our product as affiliate and we made $15,000. Every click we sent, every visitors we sent on the web page made us $5.39. And that is why I said, if you send 1.4 million visitors to your affiliate link of HostZpresso affiliate link, you will make 1.4 million. No, 5 point something million dollars. Now that's way exaggerated. Let's say 20% people will click on your links, then you will make $1 million. Well, it's totally, well, these numbers are not working. But I meant to say there are so many problems. Search for problems with hosting servers and you'll find hundreds of problems. Talk about those problems using my software Epic. Make videos and publish 1 minute shorts on YouTube and ask your viewers to click your link in the pinned comment. Put your pinned comment here. You will make more than $5 per click you send from your videos. Now let's talk about the fundamental of making money online. The fundamental of making money online is to solve people's problem. People first, money second. We solve people's problem through our work. Some use their videos just like us and solve problems. Some use their writing ability and write content. Some use social media. Some use applications. Build applications. Just like us, we have a 7-figure per year software company. We build softwares and we solve people's problem. And then we give away free access to our softwares. That is how we build relationship with people. They know us, and later, whenever we ask them to buy something, they buy from us. And buying or selling is a part of life. There is no problem with buying and selling as long as the value is is exchanged. So when I give away a hosting server offer that is basically saving hundreds of dollars down the line, it is a great help for people. So whether you help them with information, or you help them with your tutorial, or you help them with your affiliate link, it's a help. To promote Host Zpresso, you first go to warriorplus.com, create a free account as an affiliate, and then go to here, affiliate, click offers, and then search with the keyword Host Zpresso, and you will find Host Zpresso here. You see it's already 3,000 plus, which is basically approximately 5,000 sales right now. You have to click this request button and you have to explain how you're going to promote it. Just mention that you are going to make helpful videos on YouTube or YouTube Shorts, and we will approve you. Once you get approval, click here to get your link. This link here will be your affiliate link. Copy this link and put it on your pinned comment of your shorts, and ask your viewers to click the link in the pinned comment, just like this. Show them like this, okay? For me, it is usually like this. So you have to do something like that. Before that, give them helpful information. Give them information that they actually need. If you have ideas about hosting servers, super awesome. If you don't know, go look at what people are looking for, what are the problems, and solve their problems taking information from the internet. And then ask them to get hosting server solution at a one-time price. Link in the pinned comment. That is all you need to do. So help people, make money along the way. And secret number 2 is do it for a long time. When you do it for a long time, people know you as a helpful person. They will follow you, they will talk about you, they will even share your contents with other potential customers, viewers, and they will also buy using your link. And every time they click, you will make $5 per click. Woo! Send 1,000 clicks per day, you will make $5,000 per day. Super easy, right? Go ahead. Get full access to Epic from the link in the description. Learn how to use it from this 1-minute shorts. Make shorts with solution to problems. Help people and make money. Did you like our video? We put a lot of effort on it, so you make money the easy way and the right way. Hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and switch on the notification bell button, as this way you inspire us to make more videos like this, and you will also get notified for free when we will upload our next money making video. Sharing is caring. If you care about your friends and family, hit the share button and share this video with them so they also learn how to make money online. And we will see you in the next video.